little ducks woke up beside the sparkling pond today, waddling through the grass together on their cheerful way. Quack, 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 they sang while getting ready to play. They jumped into the water with a great big happy splash, making tiny waves and ripples with a playful little dash. Swimming round in circles, moving quickly in a flash. One little duck found a lily floating by the shore. One little duck saw a frog and wanted to explore. One little duck kept quacking, asking loudly for more. They paddled past the cattails, growing tall and green. They watched a busy dragonfly, the fastest ever seen. They smiled beneath the sunshine, with feathers bright and clean. 5 little ducks went paddle, paddle, paddle all day long, splashing in the water while singing their favorite song, playing with their duckling friends where everyone belongs. Then they met a turtle swimming slowly through the pond. The ducks all waved hello and quickly gathered round, listening to turtle stories and every funny sound. The sky began to sparkle with colors shining bright. The ducks watched a rainbow stretching high in sight. Everything around them felt happy and just right. Soon the sun was setting with a golden orange glow. Mother duck called softly that it was time to go. The ducklings formed a line and started heading home slow. 5 little ducks said quack, quack, quack once more, waddling with their mother from the pond back to the shore, dreaming of tomorrow's splashing adventures galore. Splash, 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 what a wonderful day. Splash, 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 let's laugh and play. 5 little ducks will come back another day.
Subscribe to Zuzu Nursery TV.